Hello students, we will start a new chapter first in geography, the earth in the solar system. The night, the one side of moon completely visible from the earth. This is called full moon night or Purnima. A night without moon or a no moon night is called a new moon night. In Hindi, it's Amavasya. The night sky is full of innumerable twinkling. These bodies are called stars. There are very big and hot celestial bodies made up of gases and emit large amount of heat and light. Stars closer to appear the sun, the star coldest to us. Clusters of billions of stars, along with dust and gas, are bound together by gravity. Such the clusters or stars are called galaxies. Millions of galaxies together make up our universe. So, some stars in ancient time did not those. These celestial bodies are called the wandering stars. Today, we recognize these bodies are planets. The sun, the moon, and all shining stars in the night sky are called celestial bodies. They have their own heat and light, which they emit a large amount. These celestial bodies called stars while watching the night sky. You may have noticed various patterns formed by different groups of stars. These are called constellations. One of the most easily recognizable constellation is the small bear or Saptarishi, seven sags and Rishi sags. The sun and the celestial bodies that revolve around it from the solar system. It comprises large numbers of bodies like planets. These moon, comet, asteroids, and meteoroids. These objects are held together in the solar system due to star gravitational pull. The sun is a major source of heat and light for all the planets in the solar system. Planets reflect sunlight that is on the they have no light of their own, so they don't twinkle like the stars. Planets have definite part called orbit, which they revolve around the sun. The time they complete one full revolution around the sun is called period of revolution. The time taken by a planet to rotate a full 360 degree on its axis is called period of rotation. In the order of these increasing distance from the sun, the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. One consider planet Pluto. Its status of planet is a very far to us. The stars closest to the earth, which is at the distance of 8 light minutes from the earth. It is huge ball of gases, mainly hydrogen. The nuclear fusion reaction and that take place in the sun, converting hydrogen gas into a helium gas, gives out from large amount of energy and the form of heat and light, which is responsible from the brightness of the sun. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and it is closest to the sun. It takes about 88 days to complete one revolution around the sun. It has no satellite. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It takes 255 days to complete a revolution around the sun. It rotates on its axis on 43 days. Venus takes east to west. It is the brightest planet to the night sky and the apparent eastern sky. So before the rises and western sky is the after sunset. For this reason, Venus called morning and evening star. Earth. It is the third from the sun. It is take 365 1 upon 4 days to complete one revolution around the sun. It is also called the blue planet. The tilted of the earth on its axis responsible for the changing of season on the earth. There is a thin blanket air surrounding the earth called atmosphere. The right temperature range, the presence of water and suitable atmosphere, all the blanket ozone layer supporting life on the earth. Earth has only one natural satellite, its moon. Next is Mars, the red planet Mars. This is the fourth planet from the sun. It is called the red planet due to the large presence of the red oxide in the soil. It is revolved around the sun in 687 days. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is the sun and the largest planet of the solar system. It takes 11 years and 11 months to revolve around the sun, but its own rotation speed is the fastest. Next is Saturn. This is the sixth planet from the sun and it is the second largest planet to the solar system. It has rings around around rings around and the makes one of the distance between beautiful planet and solar system. The rings are the made of dust, rocks and ice. Saturn is the only planet light and heat. Uranus. This is the seventh planet from the sun. It is the third largest planet of the solar system. And this also had a ring around its orbit around the sun. In 84 years on its axis, it rotates 17 hours and 14 minutes. It has 17 satellites or moon revolving around. Next is Neptune. This is the eighth and the farthest planet of the solar system. It is fourth largest planet and this also appeared the blue, but it is not due to the presence of water. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars is called the inner planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are called the outer planets.